I did not see this one coming. Hey, this flavour was this is the John Cena of flavours. Wow. Hello, Marcus Bronzy here from How to Kill an Hour. Today we're going to be tasting every single flavour of the Air Up. Now, we tried this when it first launched. We had to go on some of the launched flavours and we had a great time with them. But since then, many flavours have been released and we think it's only right for us to go through each and every single one available right now and let you know what we think of them. So, without further ado, let's crack on with every single flavour of Air Up tasted, including the Kola one with fizzy water, for those that told me to do that in the comments last time. Let's go. First up, our good old friend, Tangerine. Well, I'll be biased, yeah, about this flavour already. Love it. I think it works well with citrusy flavours, the Air Up. So this is straight away, this on my past ranking system was getting a 5. If I believe right, if I'm correct in thinking, and if I'm not, it's getting a 5 right now. Because let me get this straight as well while we're tasting these. This isn't going to taste like a juice. It's not going to taste like a squash. It's more like you get water when it's infused with some fruit pieces and you haven't got to worry about the bits in your mouth. And also I want to clarify as well, we're not getting paid for this, all right? This is not a paid gig. People ask me like, oh my gosh, you're getting paid because you like the flavour. This is totally off our own back. It's editorial, baby. So yeah, to be clear, Tangerine, 5. Basil and Lemon is a very peculiar sounding combination to me. It has got the citrus in it, but also basil. It smells basil-y. It smells very basil-y. I'm getting strong basil off that. More basil than lemon I'm getting off that. It's a peculiar flavour. I'll be honest, I've never been offered basil and lemon. Tastes a bit like I'm drinking a salad. It's okay for me. It's not offensive. I'm not in love with it though. I'm gonna give this a generous 3.5. Elderflower was one that I really liked last time, if I remember rightly, but it doesn't matter because we're re-ranking. It's good, it's a nice flavour, but it's not kicking in as much. I'm staying by the feeling that citrus is a strong, good flavour for the Air Up. So for this, we're gonna give it another 3.5. Like the Elderflower, the Lychee Rose is a premium flavour, which, so I should be expecting big things from this. I mean, it smells very much like lychee, very much like lychee, and kind of like a Moscato sparkling wine. Does that translate in flavour though? Now, I like a lychee, and I got the smell of lychee, but the flavour doesn't quite come across on this one. It's not, oh, I felt a bit of lychee there, but it's not quite there. I feel like this is something that may be nicer in a squash format, but this is not what the Air Up's working with. The Air Up is working with using your nose to activate these flavours. It's okay, I think we're gonna give this and it's a premium flavour as well. I think we're gonna give the Lychee Rose a 2.5 out of 10.
5.
A 2.5 out of 5. That's a better score. That's a better score. That's a 5 out of 10. Thank you for saving me there, Billy. Millions of peaches. Peaches for me. Now, peach is an interesting flavour. Is it citrus? No, but has it got a zingy zang to it? Yes, it has. Will that translate once we get it in the Air Up? Again, all of these are smelling very, like last time, we weren't getting massive like odours like when we got them out of the packet, but when I'm bursting these out of the packet there, I'm like getting a waft of the smell. Woo! Da, 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 da. I did not see this one coming. Wait, this flavour was this is the John Cena of flavours. Wow. Now listen, let me explain. You're getting the roundness of a peach flavour, right? I swear the water tastes smoother, more velvet. Oh my gosh. I'm really getting a strong hint of peach there. That is my favourite so far. This is getting 4.75 out of 5. And I'm only putting a cap on it now because if anything beats this, it's a 5. It's a straight 5, all right? If nothing beats this by the end of this, I'm gonna upgrade this peach to a 5. Yeah? Peaches, baby. Ooh. I could keep hitting this. I could keep hitting this. That's good. That is good stuff. But that's not even a premium. That's not even a premium. This should be a premium flavor. Yeah. This. Jeez. That is sweet. That, you got the essence of peach. There was no denying it. Fantastic. 4.75. Now, watermelon is another premium flavor. I mean, I presume that the premium flavor costs more, right? But it's not about cost, it's about flavor. We're getting premium oomph out of it because that peach, like I said, was not premium, but you know how melon, you've got the taste of the flesh. And as you get further away from the flesh, you get the rind and the green bit of it. And you know, if you cut open a melon, you can kind of smell the difference between the red. The red. Did you get a whiff to that? Yeah, you got a whiff to that, right? You got a melony flavour. Yeah. Bill's about 2 meters away from me, and he's got the melony whiffany.
I can smell it here, but it's still.
Yeah. So look, it's the smells quite. This is how it works around smell. Like, would you say that's the most powerful of smells that you've had out of all of these? Only one you've been able to smell that. They've managed to recreate the flavour of melon there, and it's like this. Like I can smell the difference between like the red flesh of a melon and like the rind of it or the shell of the outside, and that is good. This is very good. Is it beating peach so far? No. I'm going to put this at a 4. This gets a 4. Raspberry and lemon. Was a big fan of this last time round. Let's take a hit of this. Still there. Doing its job. It's doing its job. Raspberry and lemon. You get the raspberry, you get the lemon. I know this excels with citrus fruits. In my personal opinion, 3.75. Another premium flavour with pineapple. Are we going to get the premium delivery? Yeah. It's moreish. It's moreish. It's good pineapple, that. You're getting all the essence of a pineapple. The only thing lacking, obviously, is like the sweet taste on your tongue. Well, it's not even acidic. I think it's alkaline, is it? Maybe I can't remember if a pineapple is alkaline or acid, but there is a quick fact with pineapple. I think there's something in it that when you eat it, it gives you a really interesting sensation. And I think technically what it's doing is the juices of a pineapple are actually they're able to digest your skin, which is why you get that your tongue, which is why you get a really weird feeling when you eat a bit of pineapple. Now that's obviously missing that, but I'm getting the roundness of the pineapple, but not the sharp flavour of a pineapple punching through. That's good. I'm gonna give this a 3.75 pineapple. Premium flavour. Mango and passion fruit. This time around, it's not a premium flavour. I was just checking. It's good. No, it's not good. No, you get. I don't even know what that smells like. It doesn't feel like it's hitting the mango or passion fruit for me. Not really enjoying this one. This one's gonna get a 1.5 for me. Nah, so no. Doesn't work for me. And the reason is I don't think it brought forward the flavours that it had on the packet. I didn't get the smell of it, and I didn't really get the flavour of it either, so that's why. So that's a pass for me. Wild berry. Now, we've got on this packet 3 different flavors. 4, is that 4? Yeah, look. We got blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, strawberry. There we go. So that's 4 flavours in one. How's this gonna work? And strawberries are quite tangy as well, aren't they? And you know, tangy citrus, they're close, so let's see. Promised 4 flavours. Promised 4 flavours on the front, and it did smell very berry-like, but it's not coming across. It's another 2. All right, lime. I realise I've drank a lot more water than I usually would have in a very short space of time. Right, lime. You know I love my citruses. I think they really work well. Is lime going to prove me right again? Is it going to be a strong citrus flavour? Or is it going to be weak? Flavour-wise, it's not a strong flavour. It's good. Getting a bit of lime in it. Not as much as I'd like, but maybe because I was expecting big things from it. 3.5 for the lime. You get lime flavour. It's not the punchiest, but it's there. Definitely lime. Good job. You know what? Usually I just pour this water away, but I've got to hit a bit more of that peach. Give me some of that peach, man. Let's get some of that peach back. Hit some of that on the go. God damn.
I think this is going to be upgraded to a 5, isn't it? No, nothing beat it.
Peach and egg. This is. Oh, wear up if you're watching this. Send me some more of this. This is. This is bringing me back to when I. Oh man. Oh, we've got one more to test, but I had to finish off the rest of that water with that peach. That's upgrade. That's, you know what? 5. I don't. That's getting upgrade. Nothing beat this today. The peach is a 5. 10 out of 10. 100%. Whatever you want to say. The peach is popping. There's one more thing we got to test before we get out of here. With this Kola, people were telling me that we were doing this wrong. Now with this Kola, people were telling us Yeah. Now with this Kola one, people are telling me that we're doing this wrong because I need to have it with sparkling water, otherwise it wouldn't taste right. Now, I'm of the thought process where it was a flavour test. It wasn't a, sorry, excuse me. It wasn't a fizz test. So I was testing whether it tasted of Kola or not, not whether or not it was fizzy. But to put this one to bed, not too much, I don't want to explode. We will try the Kola with some fizz and see where we get to with it. So here we go. The Air Up with Kola. Let's see how it goes. Right. Okay. Now, before I give you the number, did the fizzy water accentuate the Coca-Cola-ness? 100% yes. I'll take back what I said. I thought it wasn't going to make a difference. However, Kola for me, when you have a Kola, the essence of Coca-Cola, because it's a peculiar flavour, is sweetness. And this doesn't deliver sweetness in that, in a way that in the same way that, something sweet running across your tongue would. This is kind of a flavour essence, shall we say. Yeah. So when you can be pleasantly surprised by something like peach, because you get a big nice waft of peach, but a waft of Coca-Cola, do you know what I mean? How would I say it? Like, Coca-Cola isn't something I don't think translates very well with smell. Like, for something to smell like Coca-Cola, I don't know, maybe a cola sweet or something like that, which is probably close to the smell of this. I don't know, I just don't feel like it's connecting. Let me clarify myself. The fizz does make it more pop-like, more cola-like, but it still tastes like Coca-Cola that has, or fizzy water that's had a splash of Coca-Cola in it. So for me, this is not very satisfactory. It's gone up from a 1 from my original tasting, I'd say, or a 1 without fizzy water to a 1.5. It's just not there for me, man. It's not there for me. Not there for me at all. But if fizzy can raise the level of Kola, what's stopping me from doing it with beach? Made the peach more lemony, to be honest. I was expecting big things, but it just made the peach taste a bit more lemony. I think I like the peach without any sparkling water in it. To go back to the Kola, I just prefer a sparkling water by itself rather than having that flavour in it. But I've now ranked all of the flavours. I've tasted all the flavours of Air Up. If you bring out some more flavours Air Up, send them over. We'll test them as well. Okay, let us know in the comments if you've had different experiences with the flavour, if there's a new flavour out that you think we should be testing, if you agree with me or if you disagree with me. Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to press like and subscribe. I'm Marcus Bronzy. You can find me on Twitter at MarcusBronzy. You can also find my podcast, Ain't Got a Clue, on all podcast platforms as well. Until next time, stay blessed and make sure you hit the subscribe and follow button for us as well. We've been How to Kill an Hour. We'll be with you soon. Peace.